Jotron lam so te ani channel ti pra job finder o tin norom pa ang te job notification tui phaika tin notification ka sopaika society for entrepreneurship development ikono nugui man kana SUFD aboni short form aboni address ang kanina ITI road Indranagar Agartala o engke bong kaisa job notification sopai jai ko thane mas ni 30 tarikh ro September ni engke rang phadi notification nare ni kisa ungo khai detail babe tamsa aro sawo applications are invited from the eligible candidates permanently residing in Tripura for the post mentioned below for placing in the CAMPA project kaisa project tongo jara aboni under borok norokno recruit khainai jara permanently Tripura botong ron bagi sabo under the Tripura Forest Department under boron kaisa project tongo CAMPA campa hine abo na jane baka job not unko recruit khainai inke oro nukhana name of the post or tam sida data analyst cum field assistant post tongo STRM bagi 5 ta angte sakla tam kangro anjala STRM simi sawo natana STRM post simi sanai epore in qualification nango graduate from recognized university diploma in computer application from recognized proficiency in handling MS Office tele software and database entry qualification abo nangnai te plus experience nanai in 4 years nang je post ni bagi apply khaina of field ni 4 years experience nangnai ngeni ni salary nai to ikoro roja boro 24213 age limit ngeni ni 21 minimum 21 maximum 40 years bisingo jara tonero qualification match khainero apply khaine manu apply no text post tongoro publicity manager cum data analyst oronke ST একটা post orobo same ni ikoro nugiman khana graduate from recognized university hini roja orobo noro experience namai 4 years ni ge oror salary bo same ge age limit bo same noro okay tabo ke main boni condition chung na khai sabono ang tongke joto borok saya je amo onko permanent den na contract basis baksa saya badano video saro guru ang sabono ros iko borok kam kene sejak the selected candidates would be appointed on purely contract basis for a term of 11 months and may be extended on performance and requirement ngem kaisa ini contractual se ekro mas ni bagai kintu abo extend bungman non performance nai bazar bor dorkar no hunka extend manu ni euroni selection tamune selection nai ni as per the reservation rules of state government apparently the selected candidates should come under an agreement as per the norms with je company hane SUFD boni ka condition to na robo to no ma khaine sign ma khaine ba agree mang nai apore the candidates shall be selected through written examination or interview on purely merit basis mane exam nai ba written exam nai ba interview nai totally aboni upor depend khaino na ha jangnai inke aboni last date inke no application rejana last date inke 22nd October 2021 last 22nd ni 5:30 jora 5:30 jora nor joma mano nor office thang joma rejana ni koro rejak boro boja thang mo joma nai iko shall be received at the office of the member secretary SUFD ITI road Indranagar bong office tong oro thangi nor joma marnai non document rok ba nor je engkorota inke obon pore inke nor naine manoro common application form opor oro kaisa rejak noni application form bahai no download khaina man oro ni noi ko boro rejak format nor obono fill up khai joma marne bong office thangai inke asungno o video bagui nor o video saja khangke like subscribe khai di ang te no bosam the video job notification related video tui phai no especially related to ST candidate no bagui hambai।